How to remove the WhatsApp status blurry problem. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove the WhatsApp status blurry problem. First, open your settings on your mobile device. Then scroll down and tap on Apps. Now, continue scrolling down and tap on WhatsApp. Tap on Storage. Here, you need to clear the cache. After that, open the Play Store. Search for WhatsApp. You need to update your WhatsApp application here. Now open your Google Chrome. Search for WhatsApp Contact Us. Tap on Contact Us. Enter your phone number. Enter your email address. Select whether you're using Android, iPhone, or web and desktop. You will see a section to enter your message where you can describe your problem. Tap on Next Step and follow the processes. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.